Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, a matter was created, or at least the basic elements were created, and in that stage there was nothing in the universe. And in the second stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created by the Big Bang. So I return to the first stage. In the first stage, there was only nothing in the universe, and the nothing is defined as a quantum fluctuations. And quantum fluctuations is actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space, and from that changes in the amount of energy, virtual particles can be created, and from that virtual particles real particles can be created, and from that real particles a matter can be created, or at least the basic elements can be created. Okay, so that was the first stage in the creation of the universe. And in the second stage, the reality was that all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a small dense point. And the density of that point was infinite, and for that reason it exploded. And in that way, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Okay, so that is how the universe were created. That is how the universe was created. And the answer to the second question, who created nothing, is actually nothing that is quantum fluctuations was never created, because it always existed. Okay, so we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, the matter was created. In that stage, there was only nothing in the universe. That nothing is actually defined as quantum fluctuations. And in the second stage, all the elements, stars and galaxies were created by the Big Bang. And nothing that is also defined as quantum fluctuations was never created, because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.